Spidey. Oh, see, I almost cut the lock. See, I gotta chill, B. Oh my God.
Trees on fire, flame went high, and I don't ever want it to stay the same. Not on fire.
Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be about my hair. So basically, as you guys can see, I do have faux locks in. I did them myself. I don't feel comfortable sharing the method that I use because I don't want to share something that's not like right. Not that someone's method is wrong, but I'm just not comfortable sharing it yet because I haven't perfected it. But I can say that there are 12,000 videos on faux locks, so just look at them all and just go with whatever is comfortable for you. That's basically what I did, and I, just went with it. So yeah, this is what I've come up with. I will share with you guys what type of hair that I use. I went ahead and I got BOBBI Boss Mamba Faux Locks, and it's the Soul version. I'll go ahead and put the picture of what that looks like right here. I also added in some synthetic like curly pieces here. I don't know how I feel about them yet because they are getting a little bit frizzy, but with this entire hairstyle, to me, the older that it gets, the better that it looks. So I'm kind of on the fence about them, and I can switch them out and just put new pieces in, but I haven't done so yet. So yeah, this is what I'm working with. I also had in like curlier pieces, like tighter curls. I did go ahead and take those out because they were causing a little bit of tangling, being that the locks are kind of rough. So they kept sticking to the locks. I didn't like that, and they were getting real frizzy, so I took those out. But I do have, I think I have like one lighter piece of the tighter curl, and this is what the hair looks like right here. So yeah, I took those pieces out, but I left that one in. Anyway, this video is going to be on how I style my faux locks, and believe it or not, I already have my hair in one of the styles. So basically what you're gonna do is just grab one or two locks from each side, kind of in the back. Well, not in the back, but kind of under. I like to grab the ones that are a little bit under, and then just take it and tie them literally together. I like to do it twice because once is not enough, it's just gonna literally fall out. So double knot it, loose relaxed style. You have the locks out of your face. You could do one side, you could do two sides, or you could wear both sides to the back. And yeah, that is the first style that I'm gonna be showing you guys. So yeah, quick, simple, and easy. And as you guys can see, I did go ahead and add like this gold rope here that I got from my beauty supply store, and these little gold cuffs. So for the next style, of course, you could just leave it out. I like to, if I'm wearing the locks out, I like to either like lay them to one side. I don't like to just leave them flat down like this. Like, I'm not a big fan of like just hanging out like that. I don't like it. So if I wear them out and I don't really do anything to them, I like to kind of like brush them to the side like so. I don't really have a preference, either side will do. So yeah, that's another style, just leaving it out. Or kind of going along with how we have it right now, what you could do is kind of twist them so we can make sure that the hair stays to the side. So I'm just gonna grab some
I would like to get to know if I could be the kind of girl that you could be down for.
That's one style, and it's just literally out in the back. For my next trick, I'm just gonna do a simple bun at the top. And I'm just gonna grab a few of the locks here. I want to leave these down on the side. I don't want to pull these up. I mean, if you do want to, you can, but I'm not going to, so. Alright, so here is the next style. Just a little pony in the middle, of course, and then the back out. You guys already know where I'm going with my next style. This is the next style, of course. Just put that ponytail into a bun, so that's 5 right there. So this is the 5th style, which is basically going to be 2 buns, but I'm leaving the back out again. I want my buns to kind of be like taller opposed to wider, so I'm kind of pulling tight so they can go upward and not outward. So now I have 2 space buns with the back out. And yeah, this is the style here. Hair is pretty lightweight too. That's what I really like about it. It's not super thick. The locks are not stiff, so you can do a lot of cute styles with these locks. I'm really enjoying these. So of course, we cannot have all these beautiful locks and not put them up in a really cute top knot. So to get my top knot in place, basically what I'm going to use is this headband, and this is going to keep everything in place for me. You guys could use a rubber band if you want, or you can do just like how I did with the other buns that I showed you guys in this video and just wrap the locks around itself. But for this bun, because it is gonna get kind of large, I do like to use that headband just to keep everything in place. So I'm gonna go ahead and flip my hair up. Alright, so I do have my hair in this super jumbo bun. I wore my hair like this the other day, and I did feel like, okay, I need to lower my seat in my car because my bun kept hitting the ceiling of the car. But yeah, this is super big. It's not that heavy, I'm not gonna lie, but because I don't have my locks obviously super tight, what I will say, the hair is not heavy, but it is a lot of hair concentrated on the top of your head. What I will say is just pull the locks on the side so it's not so much tension. And you're straight. So yeah. So yeah, this is my last and final style that I'm going to be sharing with you guys. But if you guys like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't done so, please make sure you subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.